Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion for digital detox planning, your full 2025 guide. To kick things off, open Notion and create a new page titled Digital Detox Plan. Keeping your plan in a dedicated space helps you stay organized and focused. Click on the plus icon and select Page, then type in your title. Now that we've done that, it's time to create sections for your daily, weekly, and monthly digital detox goals. Click on the plus icon again and select Heading. Create 3 headings: Daily Goals, Weekly Goals, and Monthly Goals. Splitting your detox plan into these segments makes it more manageable and less daunting. Next up, under each heading, you'll create subpages. These subpages will house your specific detox goals for each time frame. Click on the plus icon under a heading, select Page, and title it with your goal, like No Social Media After 8 p.m. This step helps you stay organized and allows you to easily track your progress. Now let's customize these subpages. Open one and use the plus icon to add a text block. Here, you can describe your goal in detail, note why it's essential, and list steps to achieve it. This deep dive into each goal makes it more tangible and easier to stick to. Once you've filled out your goals, it's time to create a progress tracker. Go back to your main digital detox plan page and add a table block. You can log each day's achievements here, giving you a visual representation of your progress. The reason we do this is to keep you motivated and accountable. Finally, to stay on top of your plan, add reminders for each goal. Open a goals subpage, click on the Remind Me button, and set a time. This feature will nudge you at the right moments, keeping your digital detox top of mind. And that's it. You now have a comprehensive digital detox plan set up on Notion, customized to your needs and schedule. Remember, the key to a successful detox is consistency, so keep updating your progress and stay motivated. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to a healthier digital lifestyle in 2025. Until next